Welcome to Fenerbahçe Park, a local secret on the Asian side of Istanbul. One of the oldest and greenest parks in Turkey, a 60,000 square meter park on its own little peninsula. Tucked away in the shade of centuries-old trees, some of them over 650 years old. You're going to love it here. Just cross the charming bridge from Kadıköy to find it. To get there is easier than you think, even if you're staying in places like Taksim, Sultanahmet or Kadıköy. From the Blue Mosque Sultanahmet or Hagia Sophia, Sirkeci metro station, the trip takes just 26 minutes and costs about $1.5. If you're staying in the Taksim Nişantaşı area, it will take you less than an hour to Fenerbahçe Park and it costs around $2. Feneryolu is the nearest metro stop to reach Fenerbahçe Park. It's a 20-30 minute walk with views of Kalamış Marina and stunning sunsets along the way. The Asian side of Istanbul feels surprisingly European. Clean air, green parks, and the cheerful sounds of wild green parrots all around. The walk itself is part of the experience. You'll pass by Kalamış Marina, one of the largest and most picturesque marinas in Istanbul. Here you'll see rows of glittering boats gently swaying with the breeze. Cozy seaside cafés filled with the smell of fresh coffee, and friendly street cats lounging in the sun or curiously watching the sea. And if you're in the mood for something sweet, you might even find a vendor selling traditional Turkish ice cream. Fenerbahçe Park ranks in the top 3 most loved parks in Istanbul. Locals come here to unwind, walk in the shade of centuries-old trees, and catch a peaceful sunset. And don't forget the cats, friendly, fluffy, and clearly living their best lives. Please, don't forget to bring some cat food with you. There are so many cats here. Just shake the bag, make a noise, and you'll see soft, fluffy paws appearing out of nowhere, ready to greet you with joy and love. Make sure to visit Fenerbahçe Park. It's beautiful in every season, in any kind of weather. And trust me, you'll leave with hundreds of unforgettable, beautiful photos from this park. You're guaranteed to have a great time. Inside the park, you'll find cozy cafes where you can sip Turkish tea and enjoy the stunning views and sunsets. If you're lucky, you might even catch a little Turkish disco, a fun moment locals sometimes put on just for the cats. In a city of 20 million, Fenerbahçe Park is where time slows down. When Istanbul feels too loud, too fast, this is where you exhale. This place will touch your heart. It's impossible to leave without feeling something special. If you enjoyed this little journey, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more hidden gems and beautiful places around Istanbul. Stay tuned, there's so much more to explore. Thank you for watching.